Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Evangelist Mary Lincoln ni agikorwo agitiga andu na tumiario tuingi muno ni undu wa kaundu fulani gagikorwo gakihanika gatagati wake na nduta wake uria mukuru. Before tukorwo tugitenderithia na tukimurika ici njitikiria gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gwitikira guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithwe. Before we get back to Mary Lincoln, story ya ex Shajamuka show host uria wakurehagira tafarira ino makiri na DJ Covenant Helen Muthoni o ringi ni acoka tunwa-ini twa ahuthiri a social media na rita riri ni riria Muthoni akorwo akiaria ndeto cikigikira gitumite ndagagikorwo ahikite nginyagia muthenya uyu. Helen posted a video ya korwo igituthura gicajama kuona kugeragia gutariria itumi ciake. Video iyo igituthura miario mingi muno gatagati wa fans a Helen Muthoni angi makiregana na kiria akugeragia kuga no angi magitikirania nake.
I never got married in my 20s, and I think that is one of the most amazing decisions I've ever made in my life, because in my 20s I was just pioneering. I didn't know who I was, what I am made of, what God says about me, and the woman who lives inside this magnificent body.
Na itumisho cia Helen Muthoni cia kiria gitumite ndagagikorwo akihika nginyagia ihinda riri nicio ciagikorwo igituthura gicajama kia miario, mashabiki magitofautiana na kiria kugaga. Uyu akira Helen hata uolewe na 60 years marriage ni ile no uyu nake akionekana gukorwo agitikirania na Helen Muthoni akiuga wow my dear, we are in together. Ndeto-ini ingi Mary Lincoln, Evangelist Mary Lincoln atiga andu megegeire thutha wake gukorwo agipost ga video gaka with her firstborn daughter where they were doing a challenge song mutambo-ini wa TikTok, na Mary Lincoln onekana akigeria kuhura kairitu gaka kisi ona kogagikorwo gakimiamukiria na eri makiguthana kisi. That video yakorwo ikirehe some mixed reaction toyo akiuria Mary Lincoln, we kissing on lip si kumfunza ulele, na uyu nake akiuga mi ni kiss mama yangu kwa lips, ile coffee ntapata. Na uyu akimakana kuria White did just kiss her, sisemi kitu.